So good afternoon everyone. Today we learn about Unit 5, some logic families. Those logic families are DL, diode logic, resistor transistor logic, direct coupled transistor logic, DTL. DTL means transistor logic, diode transistor logic, diode transistor logic. DCTL means direct coupled transistor, resistor transistor, diode logic. So we will learn these four logic families today. Okay, so out of this, first we design AND gate using diode logic. So in diode logic we have only diodes. Okay, using diodes and resistors we design the circuit. Okay, in diode logic we use only diodes. So this is the AND gate using diode logic. AND gate, we have n inputs. Okay, we have n inputs. If you want only two input AND gate, we draw up to this one only. Okay, we draw two diodes. If I want three input, draw three diodes. If I want four input, draw four diodes. Okay, in same manner. Okay, let us, so this is voltages, means we giving inputs here. Okay, for every input we take from power supply, regulated power supply. Positive voltage is given to input, negative is given to ground from regulated power supply. Okay, this is the AND gate. Okay, AND gate. Let us see the working of this. Now I am explaining with respect to two input. With respect to two input. Okay, I am explaining with respect to two inputs. Means up to here only circuit is available. Okay, now let us see what is the working of diode. Everyone know what is the diode working. Let us see. I am giving in this direction. This is cathode, this is anode, right? This is anode, this is cathode of diode, right? Whenever you give 0 volts to anode, what happens? Diode will be open, means it is reverse biased, right? It is reverse biased. Whenever I give 5 volts, means more than cut-in voltage, more than cut-in voltage. Okay, what happens? Diode will be active, means it will be form the path, means transmission goes on from anode to cathode, right? Anode to cathode, this is plus minus, plus minus. Okay, this is open, means off, this is on. Okay, when 5 volts is given for anode. Okay, this is the working of diode. Same diode working in reverse direction. Now I am taking reverse direction. This is cathode, this is anode. Whenever at cathode we give 0 volts, it will be active. It will be forward biased, right? It will be forward biased. So whenever diode is forward biased, it is closed path. It is closed path. This is plus, this is minus, right? Whenever I give 5 volts, 5 volts at cathode side, what happens? It will be open. It will be open. Minus, plus. It will be open. Means it is on, it is off. Right? On, off. So let us consider now. I am giving A, B, diode 1, diode 2. Okay? what happens? Let us see the diodes and output. Output is taken here. Now I am giving 0 volts, 0 volts, 0 volts, 0 volts. What happened? At negative side, I am giving 0 volt. So diode will be on. D1 is on, D2 is on. So it is on, it is on. Okay. Then what is output? What is output? Y is equal to what? See, whenever diode is on, the current will goes like this to ground. The current will goes like this to ground. Okay. So then output is ground. For ground voltage will be 0. 0 volts. Okay. 0 volts. Whenever I am giving both 5 volts, I am giving both 5 volts. I am giving both 5 volts. What happens? Diode will be off. Both diodes are off. Then what happens? The current from this one will not goes to ground. It will goes to output. So diode is off. Diode is off. Output will be VR. That is equal to 5 volts. Okay. Here output is ground. Ground is equal to 0 volts. Now similarly, any one input is 0. Any one input is 0. What happened? It is closed. So the current will goes to ground. Okay. Current will goes to ground. So this will be on, off, off, on. What happened? When any one diode is on, the current will goes to ground. Okay. The current will goes to ground. So output is ground. So 0 volts, 0 volts. So let us see 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For 0 0 it is 0. For 0 1 this is 0, this is 1 0. For 1 0 it is 0. For 1 1 it is 1 because 5 volts means high 1. So this is the AND gate operation. Positive logic AND gate. So positive logic AND gate means we can call it as negative logic OR gate also. We can call this circuit as negative logic OR gate also. Right? So this is the working of AND gate using diode. Okay. Next, OR gate using diode. Here diodes are connected in forward direction. Okay. Forward direction. Okay, and resistor is given to ground downwards. Okay, this is not, it is VCC. Resistor is given to VCC. Okay, this is VCC, not VCC. This is ground. Okay, remember, this is ground. Now I am taking connection. Let us see A and B and diode 1, diode 2. I am taking only two connections, diode 2 and output. Okay, output. See, whenever I given 0 volts, 0 volts, what happened? Diode is off. Diode is off. Off, off. So what will be output? Ground will be output. 0 volts. Okay. Next, whenever I give 0 volts here, 5 volts here, 0 and 1. Okay. What happened? This will be off, this will be on. So 5 volts will comes to output. 5 volts will comes to output. Off, on. So 5 volts means logic 1, 0, 1. Okay. Next, whenever I give here 0, sorry, here 5, here 0, means 1, 0. D1 will be on, D2 will be off. Output will be 5 volts, means logic 1. Similarly, both are 1, both are closed. So output will be 5 volts. On, output will be phone. That is logic 1. So this is the working of OR gate using diodes, right? Next, NOT gate. This is the circuit of NOT gate. Generally, single diode cannot be used as NOT gate, because see, whenever you give 0 volts, we get it is off. We get 0 volts only. Whenever you give 5 volts here, it will be closed. We get 5 volts. So it is not a NOT gate, right? To perform NOT gate, we use a transformer, that is 1:1 transformer, okay, which acts as digital logic input. Digital logic input, okay. So what, see, whenever I give Vi is equal to 0, same input will comes to here, that is 0 volts. So here we getting 0 volts. 0 volts means diode will be off. Diode will be off. There is no path. So what is output? Output is this one. So VR will comes to output. So V naught is equal to VR. That is equal to 5 volts. Okay, 5 volts. Next, I am giving 5 volts here. What happened? This 5 volts comes here. Okay, diode will be closed. So 5 volts comes here. Here VR, it is in opposite direction, 5 volts. So 5 volts minus 5 volts. What happens? Output V out is equal to 0 volts. So observe here, Vi, diode and V naught. Okay, whenever I giving 0 volts, diode will be off. Whenever diode is off, V naught is equal to VR, that is equal to 5 volts. Whenever I given 5 volts here, diode is on. So V out is equal to what? VR minus VR, that is equal to 5 volts. Here VR and Vi must be matched because I am giving 5 volts. VR also 5 volts. So VR minus VR, that is equal to 0 volts. See, logic 0, logic 1, logic 1, logic 0. So we getting NOT gate, right? So this is the circuit of NOT gate. Okay. So important parameters. See, components we used, diodes and resistors also. You can mention resistors also. Logic gate, mostly we used and or. Why I am not including not here? For not we are using transformer, right? Transformer cannot be designed using in IC, right? Transformer cannot be designed in IC. So NOT gate is not designed. Okay. Internal circuit is possible, but to design IC, NOT gate is possible using diodes. Okay. So this is and or possible gate. Fan out. Fan out is maximum 3. Propagation delay 14 nanoseconds. Power dissipation 15 milliwatt. Figure of merit. Product of these two 210. Noise immunity is very poor because diodes can produce more noise. Okay. Next, transistor logic family. NOT gate using transistor logic family, RTL. Okay. So this is the NOT gate using transistor. To know the working of this transistor, you have to know about clearly CE configuration. CE configuration. Okay. CE configuration is very important here. Okay. Suppose for A, this is input, this is Y. Whenever I give 0 volts, the base junction will not active, right? So if base junction is not active, this will be off. Transistor will as off. So see, when A, transistor Q, output. Whenever 0 volts is given to base, transistor is not response. It is in off region. So what is output? VCC will comes to here because this VCC not goes to ground. So VCC comes to output. Y is equal to VCC, that is equal to 5 volts. Okay. When A is equal to 5 volts, A is equal to 5 volts, transistor will be on. The transistor will be on. Okay. Transistor is on. What is output? Whenever transistor is on, there is a closed path between collector and emitter. There is a closed path. Junction is closed. Collector and emitter junction is closed. Okay. So when collector junction is closed, what happens? VCC will comes to ground. VCC will comes to ground. What is output? Output is 0. So Y is equal to ground. So that is equal to 0 volts. So this is the NOT gate using transistor. Okay. NOT gate using transistor. Next, AND gate using transistor. AND gate using transistor logic. Let us see what you observe. This one is inverter, right? This one is inverter. And have you observed here? Two transistors are connected in series. Two transistors connected and output. What we getting here? The output getting here is NAND gate output. The output getting here is NAND gate output. That's why only we NAND gates, for NAND gate, whatever connections we give using transistors, we get first NAND gate only. We get NAND gate only. If you use OR configuration, the output first we get NOR gate output only. For that I am giving inverter. So that then only we get AND gate, then only we get OR gate. That's why we called NAND and NOR are universal gates. Because while designing, first we get NAND or NOR. By adding inverter to them, we getting AND OR gates. AND OR gates. That's why only we called NAND NOR universal. Okay. So let us see. This is AND gate using resistor transistor. See what is the working. A, B, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Y. Q1, Q3, Y. Suppose I am giving 0 volts here. B also 0 volts. What happens? Q1, Q2 will be off. Q1, Q2 will be off. So whenever Q1, Q2 will be off, what happens? VCC will goes to here, right? VCC will goes to here. So Q3 will be on. Whenever Q3 is on, it is short circuited, right? Whenever Q3 is on, it is short circuited. VCC will goes to ground. So output is equal to ground, right? Next, I am giving 0 volts and 5 volts. 0 volts and 5 volts. So this will be off, Q2 will be on. Okay, Q2 will be on. So what happened? This is off means the power supply will goes to here. So Q3 is on. So Y is equal to ground. Whenever Q3 is on, it will be goes to ground. Output is ground always. Next I am giving 5 volts here, 0 volts here. Whenever I give 5 volts, this is on. Means this is shorted. This is off. So VCC only goes to here because here this is off. We can't go anywhere. So on, off. Again Q3 is on. Whenever Q3 is on, output is ground. Now both are 5 volts. When both are 5 volts, Q1 is on, Q2 is on. Both are on. When both are on, this is short, this is short. Means VCC will goes to ground. VCC will goes to ground. So out input to the Q3 is 0 volts. So 0 volts means Q3 is off. When Q3 is off, VCC comes to output. Y is equal to VCC. Okay, Y is equal to VCC. So let us see. 0 0 5 volts means logic 1, 1 0 1 1. Output ground means 0, VCC means 5. Right? So this is the AND gate truth table. Right? This is the AND gate truth table. Now next OR gate. OR gate. See in OR gate, transistors are connected in parallel. Okay, transistors are connected in parallel. Okay, let us see the working. A, B, Q1, Q2, Y. See, observe. Whenever Q3 is on, whenever Q3 is on, VCC comes to ground. Output is 0. Okay. Whenever Q3 is off, there is no path. So VCC will comes to output. Okay. VCC will comes to output. Let us see the working. I am giving 0 0. Here 0, here 0. What happens? This is closed, this is open, this is open. So VCC comes to here. Okay, VCC comes to here. So Q3 is on, off, off, on. Whenever Q3 is on, it is ground. Y is equal to ground. Next 0 5 volts. I am giving 0 5 volts here. 5 volts here. So this is open, this is closed. So VCC comes to ground here. VCC comes to ground here. Right? So voltage across this one is 0 volts. Whenever 0, Q3 is off. So Q3 is off. Q1 off, Q2 on. Y is equal to VCC. Now I am giving 5 volts here, 0 volts here. 5 means it is short. 0 means open. So VCC comes to ground. That 0 volts is given to Q3. So on, off, off. Whenever Q3 is off, output is VCC. Next, both are 5 volts. Both are on. So VCC comes to ground here. So for Q3, out input is 0 volts. So it is off. Y is equal to VCC. Okay. So see, observe 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Outputs are 0 1 1 1. So this is the OR gate, right? This is the OR gate. Okay. Next, NOR gate using RTL. So one of the important in RTL, the basic gate we designed is NOR gate only. Okay, means this without inverter, the circuit. Okay, we called it as NOR gate. This circuit we used in RTL design. Okay, so whenever both are 0 volts, output is VCC because both are off. Both are off means VCC comes to output. When any one input is high, it will comes to ground. VCC comes to ground in any one direction. So output is 0 volts. Output is 0 volts. Okay. Next, comparison parameters. Okay. So components used are resistors and transistors. Okay. Logic gate is NOR gate. Fan out is maximum 5. TD 12 nanosecond. Power dissipation 12 microwatts. Okay. Sorry, milliwatts, not micro, milliwatt. So figure of merit is 144 picojoules. Noise immunity is nominal. Okay. Next, direct coupled transistor. So in direct coupled transistor, let us observe only this part. Observe only this part. This is the direct coupled NOR gate. Okay, this is the direct coupled NOR gate. We taking output here. Okay, inputs, input. 3 inputs. So output is A plus B plus C whole bar. Y is equal to A plus B plus C whole bar. So observe here in direct coupled transistor. See, all emitters are coupled. All emitters are coupled and given to ground, right? And all collectors, see, all collectors are coupled and taken at output and taking as output, right? And bases of each transistor as input, right? Have you used any transistors, any resistance between connections of collectors and emitters and collectors? While joining emitters and collectors, have you used any resistance here? No, we not use any resistance. So this is called direct coupled transistor. We coupling all collectors and all emitters. Okay, we coupling all collectors and all emitters. So this configuration is referred as direct coupled transistor. Okay, so advantages of is low power dissipation, less cost, and disadvantage is noise margin is very poor. Current hogging. So what is current hogging? Let us see. The output of the output of NOR gate. See, the output of NOR gate, okay, is taken by two transistors Q4 and Q5, right? And those bases are joined each other. Those bases are joined each other. So whenever we give low voltages here, whenever we give low voltage here, Q4 will goes to saturation region. Okay, but Q5 not goes to saturation region. So whenever voltages are less, so whenever low voltage is given at Q4 and Q5, see, this will goes to saturation region, but Q5 not goes to saturation region. It doesn't goes to saturation region. Okay, it will opposes Q4 opposes Q4 not enter into the saturation region. This effect is known as current hogging. Okay, that effect is referred as current hogging. See, the bases of fan out transistors are connected together. So whenever low voltage is applied for Q4, then Q4 enters into saturation, but it doesn't allow Q5 into saturation. This process is known as current hogging. Okay, and parameters of DCTL. Component used are transistors only. Okay, logic gate is NOR gate. Okay, fan out is 5. Propagation delay is 10 nanoseconds. Power dissipation is 120 milliwatts. Figure of merit is 120. Noise immunity is poor. Let us see the NOR gate working. I didn't say the NOR gate working. See how it works. We have three transistors, right? Q1, Q2, Q3. How it works as NOR gate. See, Q1, Q2, Q3. Let us consider only Q1 and Q2, two inputs only. Let us consider two inputs, okay, and output A and B, okay, A and B. Whenever I give 0 volts, 0 volts, what happens? Transistor will be off, right? So what happens? Y will be directly VCC, right? Next, 0 1 0 1, this will be off, sorry, this will be off, this will be on, off, on. So VCC will goes to ground, right? So output is ground. Next, 1 0, here 1, this is 0, means it is on, it is off, on, off. So Y will be ground. Okay, because any one transistor is on, VCC will goes to ground. Okay, VCC will goes to ground. So Y is equal to ground. So let us see, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 triple 0. This is the NOR gate operation, right? This is the NOR gate operation. So direct coupled transistor, the basic structure is NOR gate. Using NOR gate only, we design remaining gates. Okay. So this is the basic configuration. Okay. Next advantages, disadvantage already completed. Next one is diode transistor logic. Okay. Observe here. This is the inverter, right? This is the inverter using transistor, right? And have you observed this one? This is the NAND gate, sorry, okay, AND gate, right? This is the AND gate configuration, right? This is the AND gate configuration you already learn in first. So AND plus transistor inverter, this one is inverter. So AND plus inverter, what happens? It is NAND, right? So this configuration is referred as NAND gate. Let us see the working. I am taking only two inputs, for example. So D1, D2, A, B, and Y. Y means V not here. Okay. Whenever A is 0, B is 0, what happened? It is closed, right? So VCC will comes to like this. So whenever VCC comes to ground, this will be forward biased, off, off. So here we give 0 volts, right? We give 0 volts. Then VCC comes to output, off, sorry, on. V not, what is this one? Q. Q will be off. Q will be off. So whenever Q will be off, V out will be VCC, right? Whenever Q is off, V out will be VCC. Similarly for 0, 1, 1, 0. When any one input is 0, it will be closed. So VCC will comes to ground. So Q will be off. Q will be off. So it is VCC, VCC. When both inputs are 1, it is on, off, 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 on, off. So, sorry, this is on, off, off, on. When both are 1, off. So VCC will comes to here. So diode is forwarded. So Q3 will be on. Whenever Q3 will be on, VCC comes to ground. So output V0 will be ground. So observe here, 0, 0, we get 1. 0, 1, we get 1. 1, 0, we get 1. Both inputs are 1, we get 0. So this is the NAND gate, right? This is the NAND gate. Okay, this is the NAND gate operation. Next, advantages: good fan out, good noise margin. Disadvantage is low speed. So these are the parameters of DTL. Transistor. So common gate we used is NAND. Fan out is 8. Propagation delay is 30 nanosecond. Power dissipation is 8 to 12 watts. So figure of merit mostly 300 picojoules. Noise immunity is good. Okay. Next, we learn about TTL, other logic families in next class. Okay. Up to here we learn about DTL, DCTL, DTL, DCTL, diode logic, resistor transistor logic. 4 logics we learn. For these 2 logics, DL and RTL, we learn about all circuits and are not, right? For DTL, we learn NAND. For DCTL, we learn NOR. Okay. From next class, we learn TTL and other logic families. Okay. Thank you.